Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNEQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one quite a few times in the past, although it's been a while. But anyways, that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But wanted to get things updated here as a new week is underway. And although there's nothing really new to report in regards to levels that I've talked about in the past, they all still pertain. Just kind of want to quickly go over, what happened, and then, the good thing that happened here, because obviously today, not the best day in terms of the price falling. But the one thing that, you got to give credit where credit's due is the price was able to hold up above that green line, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the past videos and remember. But that's 16 cents, which has been an important area of support. I say it's, been an important area of support because if you go through the history of the chart, you can see right here after this big old pullback, this is exactly where the price found some support and then eventually bounced from. So it's good to see that the price once again found some support right here. Now, I can't sit here and say that, it's guaranteed to bounce as nicely as it did after it found support right there. I wish the market was that easy and had guarantees. So I'm not saying that, but the good news is, like I said, last time the price got down there was people willing to buy. And then today the price got down here and people were willing to buy. So now it just becomes a question of, how much, momentum, how much strength can this bounce that started occur, or is this just a dead cat bounce where things are going to roll back over? Right now, you got to give, like I said, credit where credit's due. It's looking like it's got some strength behind it, but there's still a lot of tests to be done. And that initial test revolves around this red line right here, which is 20 cents, meaning if the price does get up here, can it break through it? Now, I'm not saying it has to break through it tomorrow or anything like that, but that is definitely going to be a good test on the strength or lack thereof of the current, price movement that you're seeing right here. So 20 cents, definitely that near-term level of resistance to keep an eye on. 16 cents we've already established. Now, in the event it rolls back over and then breaks down through the 16 cent level, that is where this green line would come into play. That is 14 cents and really the must-hold level. Any sort of breaks below 14 cents or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, at that point, that would be a major sign that the bears are not only picking up momentum, but have essentially, taken back over control of the chart. So we'll see what happens with it. But, it started off rough on the day, but, afternoon, the bulls had a nice little bounce there. So we'll see if they can continue to build upon that momentum in the next couple of days. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.